Say hi to Grandma with your little hiccups. Hey, Grandma. We got the hiccups. Poor little guy.
It says recording and I'm at 24 now. Huh?
Push it again.
I'll push it down again?
Yeah.